Hello friends, so till now we have created two cool hover effects. Now it's time to create another kind of hover effect. Now what I have done is I have copied all of these styles from this effect2.html and I have created a style sheet style.css here because it was going heavy, right? So that's why I thought that it would be better to create a separate style sheet for that, and we will concentrate only on HTML markup here. So let's do one thing. Let's go to file, save as, and let's save it as effect3.html. Now just copy this element, press Ctrl C to copy and just paste it. Now let's do one thing here. Let's add a class effect3 so that from now on we are going to create some different kind of hover effects and we will target using effect3, because if we target element then it will take effect on these hover effects also, which we don't want, right? So first of all, let's save it and let's come here. From here we will be having effect3 styles. Let's save it and let's take a look at the effect3. Well, this is the one, but we don't want this kind of thing. So first of all, this is the back content. Nothing will happen to the back content. Yes, friend. And this one will be front 2. This one will be back 2. Now let's take a look that whether it is working properly or not. Well, it's not. So let's do all the necessary stuffs. First of all, let's copy this one. Press Ctrl C to copy. Let's come here, paste it, and instead of front 1 and back 1, we will have front 2 and back 2. Everything will be same. Now let's save it and dot front 2 image. It will have a width of 100% and a height of 100%. And also let's copy this back 1, press Ctrl C to copy, paste it, and for this back 2, what we want, let's not mention any transformation here. Background color, text align, center, everything is fine. Now let's come to our effect3.html and open in browser. Well, something is wrong. Okay, we didn't add the style sheet here. So for now, let's delete everything here. Even this style tag. Now let's write a link rel equals style sheet href equals style.css. Let's save it and now let's open in browser. Yep, okay. So what we will do, initially this hover effect, this back 2 will be hidden. On hover, this will be shown. So let's see what we can do for that. Let's come to our style.css and let's write here dot effect3 on hover. What will happen to our back 2, right? Yeah, back 2. First of all, let's do one thing. Let's move it top minus 100%. Let's do this stuff first. Top minus 100%. And now you will see the fun. Let's hit refresh. See, here you can see a black stuff, right? This is the back too. But we can see that, isn't it? We don't want that. So let's come here and let's add here a style dot element, and also let's provide a comma and provide dot effect 3. Let's target effect 3 only, and let's write here overflow. Let's make it hidden. Let's save it. Now let's come here, hit refresh. Now see, the black part is gone because the overflow is hidden now. So now let's add a transition property here. 0.5 second is, and also add for all property. Now for back to also let's add this property. Press Ctrl C to copy. Let's paste it here. So currently the top is minus 100%, right? Now on hover, back will come back to top 0. That's the fun. Let's come here, hit refresh. See, that's cool, isn't it? Now let's go crazy. Yes, friend. Let's go crazy. How? Let's come here. Dot effect 3 on hover. Let's add a transform property, and let's mention here scale 0.7. So it will scale back to 70%. I mean, it will just shrink down. Let's see. See? Now let's go crazy with it. Let's add. Now why this hover is having the transition? You know, because this dot effect 3 is having this transition property. So always remember this thing. Yes, friend. Now let's do another thing. Well, what I was thinking, let me see it first. Oh yeah, let's add a border radius property, and let's make it 50%. Now you will see the fun. See? It's cool, right? And another thing, let's add a border. 20 pixel solid orange. Let's save it. Yup, looking kind of cool, right? Okay. Now let's do another thing. Let's move this hover effect to and this description down, and also let's scale it. Yeah. So let's come here and write dot effect 3 on hover dot back content. Let's add a transform property. Let's scale it. Say 2. Let's save it. And currently we will not be able to see the text. See? So let's make it 1.5. 1.5. And also let's add a padding top of say 10%. Let's hit save. Yup. Now it's looking cool, isn't it? Okay, so that's it, guys. So this is how you can create a cool hover effect. Now in our next lecture we will create another kind of hover effect. Yes, friend. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.